This is Lane with CraftyLifeMom.com. I am going to be showing you how to save SVG cut files in Cricut Design Space. So if you're new to Cricut or using a Cricut, then this tutorial will be for you. And if you are familiar with Cricut and using the Cricut Design Space library, you probably already know that you can get files from within Cricut Design Space. However, this tutorial may be for you if you want to use designs of your own or designs that you get from another source. You can get SVG cut files and other designs from all over the internet, and you can even purchase SVG designs from places like Etsy. Or you can also get free SVG cut files and PDFs and printables from CraftyLifeMom.com from my resource library if you are an email subscriber. It is free to be an email subscriber, and by becoming one, you will obtain a password that gets you into this resource library. So if you want to visit CraftyLifeMom.com and click on Resource Library, it will bring you to this page here. Now this page is password protected, and like I said, you do have to be a subscriber in order to get a password, but if you don't have one, then you can easily sign up here with your name and your email, and the password will be sent to you. You will also get this craft project planner, which is something that's free to you to use and download as many times as you want and plan out all of your craft projects. So once you get your password, you will want to enter it in to this box and then enter in to the actual resource library. Now the resource library is full of tutorials and downloads and printables and things like planners and my favorite, SVG cut files. SVG cut files can be used with your Cricut or Silhouette cutting machine, and today we're going to download one and use it and save it within Cricut Design Space. So you can see here I have all of my craft printables, and there's SVGs, all sorts of goodies. And today we are downloading the sewing machine SVG cut file. So it's just a basic, simple graphic, and we're going to download that, and you can see it's going right here to my computer. I am downloading that, so I know now that it is saved to my computer, and you can even check it if you want to under your downloads folder. But once you've done that, you'll just want to go ahead and open up and launch Cricut Design Space. And it's going to take a minute just to bring that up. And once you get to the home page, it will say welcome, and it will have like all of your future projects here. If you have any previous designs, they will show up here. So in order to save the file that we just downloaded in Cricut, we are going to open up a new project, and we are going to upload the image that we just downloaded, or we're going to upload the file. You can actually do an image here because it's telling you all the different variations that you can use, but an SVG cut file is ready to cut, so there's no converting or anything like that. So since I give you free SVG cut files, you're going to go ahead and upload the SVG file that you downloaded. Now when you download an SVG cut file, it actually gives you 4 different versions. It includes the DXF version, the PNG version, and the Silhouette Studio if you have that craft cutting machine, as well as the SVG version, which you can use both in Silhouette and Cricut. So that's the one that we are going to open. And you will see here that the file is ready. It has an image name, and we're going to go ahead and click Save. And now it is within my Cricut Design Space library. So once I go from here, I will insert the image into my cutting mat, and from here I can begin doing all of the things that I want to do with it. I can remove the scissors, I can add words or text, and then go on to making my project. As you know, if you are new or a user of Cricut Design Space, you would then go to Make It to actually cut out your project. So I hope that this tutorial was useful to you, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And if you are not a subscriber and you want to get access to all of my free SVG cut files and all of my printables, don't forget to sign up here by clicking on the resource library.